नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं यशोदाभियोलुखलाब्धावमानं परमृष्टमर्त्या ततो धृत्य गोप्या दन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुग्मं मृजन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रं मृदन्तम् मुहुश्वासकम्पत्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठम् हितग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिदानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्त आख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जिता त्वम् पुनः प्रेमतस्तं सता वृत्ति वन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मुख्यावधिं वा न चान्यवृणेऽहं वरिषादपीह इदं ते वपुर्नाथ गोपालबालम् सदा मे मनस्या विरास्तं किरण्ये इदं ते मुखाम्भोजम् अत्यन्तनीले कृतं कुन्तले स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या मुहुचुम्बितं बिम्बरत्नाधरं मे मनस्या विरास्तामलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णो प्रसीद प्रभो दुःख जलाभिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं वतानो ह्रियाणे समामज्ञमेधकृतिश्च कुबेरात्मजौ बधमूर्तिभजद्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं सकामे प्रयच्छ न मोक्षे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरीह नमस्ते स्तुदाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै देवायै नमो अनन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर दयाकर राधा दामोदर दामोदर राधा दामोदर Jaya Tara Radha Damodara. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Sri Radhe. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari. The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to Guru Pada Padma Nityalila Prishtam Vishnu Pada Srila Bhakti Guru Goswami Maharaj, Nitala Bhakti Vanadhanardhan Goswami Maharaj, Nitala Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, and all our Guru Vargas, with all our Parama Guru Deva Nitala Bhakti Vedanta Swami Guru Prabhupada, all Acharyas, and present all Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis, Srivas Advaita Prabhu, and others who are participating in our this online class. Yesterday we were discussing the Damodara Astaka, number 6 we discussed. So seventh, gradually Sri Satyavrata Muni, when he saw to Krishna by his causeless mercy, he showed him this pastime, this Damodara Leela. He started to pray, and how he glorified him and pray him. From first verse he described, and last moment he Krishna offered him boons. He told, I don't want anything, neither liberation, no any kind of perfection or heavenly planet. I don't want anything, either Vaikuntha also I don't want. I want your, this sweet, this first time you are so kindly, so kind that you became under control of devotees and you are tired of, you became Damodar. So he called him Damodar. Namo Deva Damodara Ananta Vishnu. O Deva, O my Lord, O Damodara, you are under the control of devotees. Mother tired you. Vishnu, you are everywhere. You are the soul of every living being. Namo Deva Damodara Ananta. Ananta, you have no any end. You are Adi. You have no any limit. Ananta. Namo Deva Damodara Ananta Vishnu Prasiddha Prabhu Dukha Jalagdhi Magnam. Please merciful to me and merciful to everyone in this material world. All are suffering by this birth and death, this kala. So they can get your mercy and everyone free from your maya, this illusory energy. So another meaning there, by your separation, when we forget you, then we are suffering here. So this separation, how inside burning like forest fire, saying, please kindly you rain, shower your mercy, so we will free from all these material sufferings. Kripadrishti brishtyati dinang batanu. I am dina, I am ignorant. Kripadrishti, you please offer your glance of kripa, of your mercy. Gruhanesha mamagyamedakidrusha. Now you accept, I am ignorance, accept my this prayer, and akhidrusha, in my eyes you are always appeared. I can see you and I don't want anything else. So last verse, yesterday we discussed this. This month of Kartik is important because the Supreme Lord in this month he became Damodar, how he controlled by the devotees. So easily he becomes pleased by observing this month. If we chant, we practice any bhakti, worship to him. Therefore, in Damodar month, we are uttering our daily this Ashtaka there. Then next verse, he saw how Damodar, he was tied by Mother Yashoda to one mortar, Udukhala. But he saw there is two trees there. They are twin trees. Together, two brothers. They are son of Kubera. Kubera, you know, Kubera is the Dhanadhipati, who is the lord of wealth. He is the demigod. Who wants money, they can worship to Kubera. They are the sons. In past, we discussed in Purushottama month about these pastimes. Still today, this verse came, Kubera Atmajau. Kubera's two sons, Atmajau. Baddha, there by the Narada's curse, they became like prison. They become trees. Inside a tree also there is souls. Every living creature is soul there. So these two brothers became trees. Again, we little discuss how they became trees. Once Narada Muni was traveling go to Mahadeva's Kailas, and Kubera also living in Kailas there near Lakapuri there. And that is, they are demigods, they are opulents there. Naturally, who are rich men, wealthy, they spend money for what? Mostly they spend money for street and dyuta asava, drinking, alcohol, drugs, or women, or dyuta and gambling. Like this they may do. Poor people who are starving for their food, if they have no food, they cannot do anything else. They are always thinking about food. They cannot do all these sinful activities. But they, with their Gandharvis and others, they are themselves, they were in Ganga, they were playing there. And they have taken Baruni. this alcohol, Baruni name, they drank and they lost their conscious and they were playing there. When Narada was passing there, then inside Ganga, which is coming from this, the spiritual water comes, Mahadeva himself took in his head, because this coming from the Lord Vishnu, his feet. So to purify himself, Mahadeva also, he is taking this water in his head. Many people they are worshipping, but this Nalakuber and Maningriva, these both two brothers, they are playing inside there. When they saw to Narada, then all themselves they hide, hided, and they could not do anything. But these two brothers, they don't care to Narada, and they are intoxicated. So Narada saw them in front of Narada. They said, "Who are you? Why you came this side?" When Narada understood, he could not understand. They are in Sattva Guna, they are living in heavenly planet. If they do like this, then who will do others what they will do? How they will teach to others? Then Narada thought they should get some body like tree, they will tolerate. All winter, summer, anybody come, they will cut. They cannot do anything. They tolerate. Then they realize what is the body of this heavenly planet. Demigod's body, human body, animal body, all these bodies. So then he told, you become trees. Then your consciousness always covered, but by my mercy, you always remember, you never lose your memory. Even in the tree's body, you remember yourself and you remember to me, and your smurti, memory, always exists. You never lose. When they got this course, then they understood. Then they surrendered to him. They prayed to him. Then Narada told, okay, you go and become tree in Gokul, in Vrindavan. When the Supreme Lord, he appeared here, when he performed his pastimes, when he touched to you, then you will liberate. So now these trees are there, thousands of years before they are there. Now Damodar, who was tied by one mortar, then he saw, oh, now really who are in prison and tied by this rope, this is really suffering. Then he saw these true brothers, they are suffering. So he merciful to them, and he dragged that mortar, entered these two trees inside and pull out them. When he heavily pulled, then this both tree from the root fell down. There are many Other children also there, they are with Krishna, they are playing with Krishna. When mother was tired, him. So no one harmed by trees because they are demigods, so they know they did not harm to anyone. Then after these two brothers came out from these trees with their divine body, and they glorified to Krishna. O Supreme Lord, you are so merciful. Even you are tired by your mother, but you get us liberation to free from our sinful activities. Narad was so merciful to us. Actually, by his mercy, we able to meet with you, associate with you, and we saw your beautiful pastimes because they are tall trees, so they saw everything Krishna's pastimes, what happened there. Now they glorified to him. Then Krishna asked them, what do you want? You want liberation, free from this birth and death and from any other, so to go to Vaikuntha planet, and you want anything else? Then these two brothers, they told, oh Lord, we don't want anything. We want Bani Gunanu Kathane Sravanam Kathayah. In this mouth, we harsh many people by our words, and many sinful we speak in our mouth, harm to others. Now, with this mouth, we can glorify to him you, and we can chant your name, and we glorify your these merciful qualities, unlimited qualities. Bani Gunanu Kathani. Sravanam Kathayah. With these ears, we hear many sinful topics. Now, by these ears, we hear your katha, your pastimes. Bani Gunanu Kathane Sravanam Kathayah. Karo, by these hands, we do your activities, your service. We can offer you some flower, some fruits, sandal paste, incense, or lamp, or any bhogo. We can dress you, we can do anything by our hands. We never did this by these hands to serve you. Now, please allow us, we can serve by these hands to you. And mind, with this mind, we can remember your all this beautiful beauty and your pastimes, all your guna, we can remember this. So by mind, words, and body, we can serve to you. We don't want anything else. So there, in this prayer in Srimad Bhagavatam, our Jiva Goswami has written in Gopala Champu, Krishna offered them to speak Krishna Lila because they were there in Gokul. From beginning, they were there, so they know everything. So they, in Golok, one became Madhukantha and Snigdhakantha. One's throat, the speech became sweet and another became soft. Madhukantha and Snigdhakantha. So with these sweets, their sound, they can glorify to Krishna. So now, Satyavrata Muni, he remembered this Leela. So he told Kuberatmajau Baddhamurti Vajadavat. How these Kubera's two sons, they were tied with, bounded with the tree body, but you gave them to free from that. Tuya muchitau bhakti bhaju tutaucha. You gave them free from, you offer free from the trees, also you offer your service to them, bhakti bhaju. They serve to you by their body, mind, and by their words. So same, please offer to me. I don't want anything else. तथा प्रेम भक्ति स्वकामे प्रजच्छ नमोखे ग्रहमस्ति दामोदरे तथा प्रेम भक्ति स्वकामे प्रजच्छ. I beg to you, same prema bhakti, this transcendental love, service mood, offer me. I have no other desire. Now mukhya graham asti damodareha. O Damodara, here in this Vrindavan in Gokul, how you are so merciful, such tree, they were there, and you also gave them free from the tree, their body. Same time, oh, you offer them, your service became prem, your prema bhakti with lovely servicing. So, same prema bhakti, tathame prajacha, please give ajai. Me, I don't want anything else up to mukhya or other anything. In 7th verse, he prayed to Krishna. So we also pray to Damodar, to Radharani, to all Vrindavan's inhabitants and Mother Yashoda and others. They can offer us this prema bhakti. We don't want anything in this material opulence, neither in heavenly planet, nor these 5 types of liberation, not Vaikuntha planet also where is full opulence there. We want this sweet pastime of Vrindavan, where Krishna always play with devotees without any respect, without any opulence, and he is there just like their friends, their beloved, and their child. This is the beauty of glorious of Vrindavan. In the last verse, then he uttered to he prayed to the rope. First, he told Bhakti Badham. He was bound by bhakti, not with rope. Bhakti Badham. Which bhakti? Prema bhakti. Which prem? Vatsalya prem, maternal affection, love. This is the real reality there. So now Satyavrata Muni offer his pranam, his obeisances to Namastestu Dhamne, Sphura Dipti Dhamne, Tvadiya Darayasya Vishwasya Dhamne. He is told, oh rope. Which rope? Prema rope. Prema Rajadanaya. With this love, the rope who tied up to Damodar, I offer my Dandavat to this rope. Why? Why are you offering a rope, Dandavat? He does not offer it to Krishna. Because this rope can tie to Krishna. This prema raju. Namastestu Dhamni. How Spuraditi Dhamni? He is Krishna's inside all universe there. Tvadiyo Dharayasya Vishwasya Dhamni. Inside your udara, your belly, all these universes are there. This Krishna is not small. Simultaneously, Krishna have his Anoranyang Mahato Mahyan. He can be more smallest than a atom, also most gigantic from this holy universe. Mahato Mahyan. So these both inconceivable the qualities, energies with him. Therefore, very difficult to understand with our human intelligence to accept this. Generally, many people, they becomes like atheist. They say, okay, Krishna is a universal, he is impersonal. The God means impersonal. How he can be a person? They cannot accept. But here in Srimad Bhagavatam, in our bhakti philosophy, he is all in all, cause of all causes. He can be a person, he can be also imperson. In Bhagavad Gita, he told, Avajananti mang mudha manusitanum asritam parang bhavam ajananto mamadekta. So mudha, who are foolish, they don't understand. They think I am a human because I am in human body. Parang bhavam ajananto, they don't understand my super nature. This is the Krishna's Leela pastime, always with the signs of the Tattva, reality there. So therefore, Narada, Brahma, and all other demigods says they could not also understand Krishna's pastime. They also bewildered to see practical with their eyes. So here, Satyavata Muni, he offered his Dandavat Pranam to the rope who was there, who get tied to Krishna. This rope, this prem, I am offering to this rope, Vishwasya Dhamni, Namo Radhikaye Tvadiya Priyaye, Namo Nantalelaya Devaya Tubhyam. Namo Radhikaye. In the last, he saw Radharani also came there. She is also kissing to Krishna. Now they are actually supreme gods. So in Sringara Leela, in sweet pastimes, he wanted to stop this. So before he was offering other Leelas, but now he changed to Radha Krishna's these pastimes with conjugal mood, conjugal love. So he offered to Dandavat to Radharani. Namo Radhikaye Tvadiya Priyaye, who is most dear to you. Tvadiya Priyaye, Namo Nantalelaya, Anantalelaya. How many Leela he has done? No, there is no limit, no end. Ananta Leela. Namo Nantalelaya, Devaya Tubhyam. O Deva, O my Lord, I am offering Dandavata Pranam to you. Namo Nanta Leelaya. This Leela, Leela Shakti, pastimes, how you perform, I am offering Dandavata Pranam to this Leela also. To you, to this Leela. So here, this Ananta Leela, unlimited pastimes with conjugal mood. We were discussing how Krishna became a yogi, how he was hidingly he is stealing their clothes and doing many activities. Our Goswamis have written there. So we will gradually again, after finish this Damodara Ashtaka, we will discuss with Uddhava how Krishna was performing these pastimes. In Purushottam month, we were discussing all these pastimes with Uddhava. They went to that place, they were going to that place and they are discussing these pastimes. So this we discussed some pastimes, and from tomorrow we will continue that Leela, how Krishna was playing flutes in a Venu Gita, in the Rasa Leela, Gopi Gita there, and all pastimes there. From tomorrow we will go to discuss this. Today, how Satyavata Muni gradually in 8 verses he started from beginning to end, and in the end he offered to Radharani. And this Leela, Ananta Leela, this was who after every day in this Kartika month, this Damodar Leela, Damodar, Radha Damodar becomes very pleased to them and merciful to them. So we also pray to them how we will free from these material sufferings and we will get served to Krishna. We will do our service by our body, mind, and our words. So this is we want. We don't want anything else. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Radha Damodar Jiv ki jai. Satyavrata Manu ki jai. Kartik Vrata ki jai. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Ancha Kalapataru Kripa Sindhubhaya Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. With a little chant, Govinda Damodara. Agre kurunam atha pandavanam dusasanena hrutavastra kesa. Agre kurunam atha pandavanam Krishna tatha krosha jananya natha Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Durbar Vakya Parigriha Krishna Murugi Bhavita Tu Katham Kathamchi. Durbar Vakya Parigriha Krishna Murugi Bhavita Tu Katham Kathamchi. Sabhya Pravishta Manasa Juhava Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Sabhya Pravishta Manasa Juhava Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Radhe Radhe Govinda Govinda Radhe 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 Radha Damodara Govinda Radhe 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 Jai Jai Shri Radhe 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 Jai Jai Shri Radhe 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 Jai Jai Shri Radhe 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 Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol ब्रह्मानंदे हरि बोल। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। Sorry, we started a little delay because of tech communication. Tomorrow, I think everything we will make perfectly in time. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक
धन्यवाद महाराज।
Hari Bol.
धन्यवाद महाराज हरि बोल।
Dhanyavad, Dr. Prabhu. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien महाराज, aquí estamos muy bien.
Now we will go to Arati.
Okay.